Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to record an online course in Kajabi. If you're creating educational content or building a course for your audience, recording lessons directly within Kajabi streamlines the entire process and keeps everything organized in one place. Let's walk through how to set this up. First, open your web browser and navigate to kajabi.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a login button at the top right. Click on Login and enter your credentials to access your account. If you're new to Kajabi and don't have an account yet, simply click Get Started to create one and follow the setup prompts. After logging in, direct your attention to the left navigation panel. Here, click on Products, which will expand a menu with several options. From that expanded menu, select Courses. This takes you to a page displaying all the courses you've created or are currently working on. Now locate and click on the specific course where you want to add your video recording. This action will bring you to the course outline page where you can see all the lessons and modules within that course. Find the lesson you'd like to add a recording to by hovering your cursor over it. When you do this, an Edit Lesson button will appear. Click on it to open the lesson details page. Once you're on the lesson details page, scroll down until you see the media section. Within this section, click on video. You'll notice several options available for adding video content. You can upload files directly from my device if you have pre-recorded videos on your computer. There are also options to pull content from Dropbox, Google Drive, or even embed videos through a link like Loom. But for recording purposes, select the camera option. This feature allows you to record your lesson directly using your connected camera or webcam, which is perfect for creating fresh content on the spot. When you select the camera option, Kajabi will request permission to access your camera and microphone. Grant this permission so the platform can utilize your hardware. Once access is granted, you'll see a recording interface where you can start capturing your lesson. Simply click the record button and begin teaching. You can pause or stop as needed throughout the recording. After you've finished recording your lesson, make sure to click Save located at the top right corner of the lesson details page. This ensures your newly recorded video is securely attached to that specific lesson within your course. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.